So today I will be cooking with my baby. We are planning, or we are trying to cook gyoza. Oh no,
I'm Ira. I love to cook. I love living my life to the fullest. And most of all, I love to laugh a lot. Welcome to my life.
I wanted to take this chance to engage him in whatever chores I do, because now that he's 2, I think it's a better idea if I show him what are the chores that Mama is doing in the house. This might help him to be a good boy and to be a helpful one in the future. Yeah, I just really hope that. And yeah, let's start. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. We are ready. So these are the things that we need, yeah, for making our gyoza. I just want you to know that I'm no expert, and these the taste, the measurements are just according to my preference. So first, we have here our minchi, or the minced meat. This is a combination of a beef and ground pork. Yeah, this one. So it's wrapped in a paper because we usually buy wholesale in Costco, and I just divide it once we get home, and then yeah, this is how it looks like. So yeah, so we have here our minced meat, and we'll be putting this one. This is ninniko, or something like grated garlic. If you don't have this, you can grate a garlic. Yeah. So this is really just according to my preference. I think my husband wants strong smell of garlic, so I'm putting more of it. And we also have this one, the grated ginger. Yeah, guys, again, if you don't have this paste, if you don't have this tube, you can grate a garlic or a ginger. If you don't want strong smell in your gyoza, then there's no need for you to put a lot. We have here our oyster sauce for more taste. Yeah, so I will be putting 1 tablespoon for it. Yeah, and I will also be putting 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. There. Sesame oil adds also smell and taste. Next is the salt and pepper. There. My hands are kind of wet because I just washed it after touching those condiments and minced pork and beef. So yeah. So this is it, and I just have to mix them. This is very easy, not Genshin, very easy. I thought you'll be helping me. What are you doing? Kiss Mama. Kiss Mama, please. Kiss Mama, please. I love you. You got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Set up work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or the night. Set up work my way, bonafide stallion. You ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number 1. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50 love the way you split it. 100 racks, I'm spinning back. Light a match, get lit, babe. Like jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. All the nerves back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum. Cabbage, yeah, cabbage. No, look at this. Then we are going to mix it with our minced pork and beef. Yeah. Nice. Keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. You ain't never running low on supplies. 50 Wow. No. That's not for eating. No, Dayo. Dami, Dayo, wala. Dami, oh. How was that? Daijoubu? Daijoubu? Pretty? What are you doing? Okay, I need you to give me this one, okay? Give Mama, chodai. Just one. So. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, dami oh. That's not for eating, Dayo. No, okay? No, Dayo.
Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. You ain't never running low on supplies. 50 love the way you split it. 100 racks on me, spin it, babe. Let a match get lit, babe. Jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head.
No. Dami oh, dami. Ang dami. Look at this one. Nice na. Mama's good at making na. Very nice. Okay? Nani? Kiss mo ba? Watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy.
Itadakimasu. Welcome to 100.
Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating.